The last time we honorable come, invest come out. Because I understand, say, Chika can be very, very annoying. I understand. I can't go beg him. I can't gas beg him, cook better food for him, and now he don't enter our studio. Honorable is in the house.
Now only you they find way to my heart.
Oh.
Apart from your smile, your talk self, they find way to my heart. 24/7.
Honorable.
In fact, now you be the woman. That is now you be the right kind of woman way, I suppose. I don't even know what now I think.
Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me because honorable like me.
Good morning, Nigerians. Good morning.
Which heart? Which heart? Heart where you don't put inside pot to take do economy for you. You say they find way to your heart. You cook better food to give you your job. You know what you don't chop.
I was expecting
you have sold your conscience.
I was expecting you to be apologetic.
For what?
I was expecting you to be calm. I was expecting you.
Did I apologize?
This is one of the
apologize for what?
This is one of the reasons why I have no apologetic.
Did I ever apologize?
You're becoming aggressive.
No, I tell you, I'm a woman. I am the leader. Our Nigerian leaders are setting a father example. Did he apologize?
In fact, your role now, you're taking over Chika.
Aside the Kubo, did he apologize?
You're taking over Luchi.
Dad. Nigeria outcast.
I mean, you're taking over.
No, let's
I will reconsider her.
Let's talk about the fate of the nation.
No mind that at all.
Now we hear say headmaster where the school where Buhari go. See them don't they write and death threat. Who they send those letter give him?
See they send.
They are threatening his life.
Why would they threaten his life? Who are you to threaten his life?
So you don't know the people that are sending him death?
No, I don't.
How you gonna know?
No names have been mentioned.
Why would I know? But in the first place, they requested for a result. And they provided the result. What else do the people want?
No,
the person. Okay, whoever that is sending that threat. What again you want? They don't send out what in. Don't you want this man to contest? What is it? Leave the man alone for crying out loud.
Tell them honorable because I believe saying that you the only talker.
He's a free man.
Leave him alone.
Wait again. In fact, anyway, the issue of our country sometimes it gets me so worried. I mean.
Honorable, you get one thing we lot talk today. And still gonna make me remember one time when you do something. You know, say me, I always like praise you. But it gonna make me remember.
Praise for your cause.
Lord,
Continue, Daddy.
You are
continue,
for something.
Continue, I hear you.
Chika,
you get ulterior motive.
Except if no me I come out here again for now.
I go I'm beginning at different things, so.
I go come out here for now.
I go show you my beginning.
I go come out here again, no.
No, come on, my name Jerry, my darling.
No, be you start am. No, be you start am.
Leave him alone.
Better person hold me, Joe.
I beg you, honorable.
I was. You were saying something.
Say, for you to get better place for the man hearts, if the man take you go out for the first time,
no ask for money.
Of course,
so I can't remember the time you take me out.
Don't ask for money, yes.
I can't tell you say honorable.
For the first time I take you out too.
Yes, no, I need money to buy Brazilian hair. I need money to buy gold necklace. I remember say you no answer me. Why you no answer me, honorable?
It's not because I say I give you a second chance. Say I needed to just look you well.
Don't.
Wait, hold on, young woman. Hold on.
I'm not.
Don't I try to say, wait, I understand. In between me, I know say look.
In between.
This person where they ask for this kind of thing. No, she go be a better person, but then make no be make I know they deceive by what they ask.
So true, una men dey vex if ask una money.
Me.
So true.
It's a good thing.
Una dey vex, but wait, the first date.
Somebody like you, I know you ask for more than that.
But
after all, when you met me first, what was the first thing you asked me for?
Money.
Wait.
Meanwhile,
let me now make it clear.
Meanwhile, first day, men go ask for something if you leave them.
The first day you saw me, where you saw me in that my motor. But even the first way you asked me, say,
dollars.
Honorable.
But meanwhile,
honorable, I beg, Mister, I don't mind smoker.
Yes.
Smoker.
Because you men, they leave you. First date, won't you ask for something?
No.
If you give you something, first day, you will not chop.
I will not chop.
If they give you snail to chop for the first day, you will not chop.
I will not chop because I respect some snails.
I'm expressing myself. There's freedom of expression in this country.
Producer, take us on the
There's a right of expression in this country.
Producer, take us on the break.
If we give you something on the first day, you will not chop.
Don't deal with anybody.
If women give you something on the first day, you will not chop.
I will not chop.